guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and do a plan with me, but this time I'm going to do a social media plan with me, and that's as far as my YouTube and my Instagram. I'm trying to get my Instagram live together. This is a peek of what my spread looked like for last week. As you can see, I made sure I put reminders to post on Instagram every day because I'm trying to get my following up, and I've been trying to just get my whole photo color scheme matching and all of that good stuff. So I decided I would bring you guys along just to kind of show you how I plan out my weeks as far as my YouTube videos go and my Instagram. So now for my planner, I don't have a separate planner. I kind of Franken planned, I guess you can say. Not fully, but I just took some sheets from another planner and I added it into my main one. So I'm currently using the Socialite planner in the classic size. I don't know the name of the other one that I had. It was actually a clearance planner that I found. So I just took those sheets and put them into the back for my social media section. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these pages. And then I'm gonna show you guys the color scheme I'm working with for this week. So my color scheme for this week is going to be black and gold, but rose gold. So I'm using inspiration off of this tiny sticker pad, the black and white color scheme. So I wanted to go with the black and the rose gold. And then I also have a couple of these left. These were from one of those to-do checklists. They came in the roll. I don't really use them, but I did like these since they were a little bit more functional. Some of the other ones that were in that set that I had specifically, they were more so for appointments. I don't have a lot of appointments going on, so I never used it, so I just cut these out of that. And these were what was left over. And then I have two pieces of scrap paper because in here it's just more so a lot of quotes. And if you watch my other planning videos, you know I like to kind of layer and stuff like that. So this came out of a craft sheet book I have. This right here by the Paper Studio. Super pretty and cute. So I just took two of these. I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet. Kind of figure it out as I go. And then I thought what would look good with this is the Boss Babe. That whole theme is the rose gold. So there's a lot of those rose gold colors in there. And this was one of the accessory packs. So I'm gonna use something out of here. And then I also have some in here. Some of the Supermom has the rose gold too. But more rose gold from the Boss Babe. All right, you guys, so let's begin. You guys know that I usually take one sticker and kind of go with it. Oh, and if you're wondering how I'm gonna use these, I have this handy dandy tool here by the Happy Planner. So they have it in the big size, I believe, and this is the classic size punch. So basically all you need to do, which way do I want this to go? Because I want it, okay. Just slide your paper in. And then it's going to cut you perfect size. And that's not the way that I wanted it. But it's going to fit into the vertical boxes perfectly. That's not the way that I wanted that to go. I wanted it to be like this. See, messing up already. Messing up already. There we go. I'm gonna redo that real quick. I love this thing, and I actually bought this when I used one of the 40% off coupons. I'm gonna use some black washi too. So I have this washi here. This was from one of the Wrong washi sticker collections. And then this one, this is for a mini though, so I don't know if I can really work with that since these lines are a little bit thicker than what this is. I'll try, but if not, black will suffice. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out a couple more of these boxes to be my background. And then I just use some of that dot runner to go ahead and put the glue on the back so it can stick. All right, so I just cut out 2 and 2. I'm gonna go ahead and lay my washi down and then decide on where I want to place these. And I know for sure I'm gonna use that. Busy week ahead. I really do. More of what makes you happy. That's a favorite too. Living my best life. That's like my favorite quote. I always say that, living my best life. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my washi down and stop being silly. Get some washi inspo. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna need to use some whiteout, and then I'm gonna white out these numbers because it got the whole color going on, and I actually have these. If I can get it right, I'm gonna use these dated these numbers instead because this is just too much color going on since I want the whole black and rose gold thing going on. Well, let me just take the time to say that I suck at using whiteout in a straight line. Ugh, that is horrible. That is so crooked, but it is what it is. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. We want it to be functional. So if it looks a little crazy, that's okay. So now I'm gonna lay down these numbers and lay down some washi, and hopefully it doesn't look too crooked since I did like a butcher's job of laying down this whiteout. Okay, so I got my main washi laid across the top. I normally just start with that. I don't go all the way down, just I wait to see how I'm gonna place my stickers and, you know, which way I want to function with. I think this week for the layout, I want to do a little bit something different. I think I want to have all of like my to-dos and like as far as like my editing schedule and all of that going down through the middle instead of just like random. So I'm gonna try to do that. We'll see. The next thing I'm gonna do real fast, I think I'm gonna cover this, get rid of the color, and most likely cover the calendar. So let's go. I might even cover these polka dots. I'm gonna leave that though. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. Yeah, that fits this. Okay, so I went ahead and laid down all the washi that I'm planning on using. So now it's time to go ahead. I thought I lost these, and lay down some of these. So I think I'm gonna start off in this corner. I don't know, I always start off in this corner. So this is super easy, guys. And I don't use any fancy one. I got this one from Walmart. I only paid like $2 or $3 for this thing. Voila. And I'm gonna use a quote right here. Let's see if I can find one in here. So most of this whiteout on the bottom that's not straight I'll probably just try to disguise with like different quotes. Be the kind of woman that makes other women want to up their game. Slay today. Ooh, I like that one. Okay, we're gonna go slay today. All right, you guys, so that's the first start. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work my magic. So my camera died in the middle of me filming, so you guys didn't get to see any of how I place any of these. So now I kind of think I got my base before it gets too busy. Now I need to start laying out like my to-dos and all of that good stuff. I need to introduce some more rose gold. This has turned into like a strictly black and white little theme going on. I like it so far, but now I need to incorporate a little bit more rose gold. So we're gonna bring on the to-do checklist and all of that good stuff. You guys, this is the finished spread. So it's decorated, but it's still functional. I have tons of space to write. I love having a functional but yet pretty planner. I feel like when it's decorated, I'm more excited to actually open it and stick to my planning. I hope this inspires you guys to go ahead and create a fun and a functional space in your planner for this week. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're joining along for the first time. I do planning videos every week here on my channel. If you would love to see more planner related content, definitely head over to my Instagram. I share tons of planning inspiration over there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.